Coordinate geometry, exercise 7.1, third question. Determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -11 are collinear. First, let me explain the meaning of this question. What they are asking? Whether these 3 points are collinear. What is the meaning of collinear? Collinear means the points lying on the same line. See here. The meaning of the question is whether 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -11. Whether these 3 points are lying in the same straight line or not. This is the question. Okay. Let me name these points as A, B and C. To check whether these 3 points are collinear or not, first let us find out the distance between AB. Okay. AB. We know the coordinates of A. That is what? 1, 5. The coordinates of A is 1, 5. And the coordinate of B is 2, 3. And we know the formula to find out the distance between them. That is D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Isn't it? And we know that this is our x1 and this is our y1. This is our x2 and this is our y2. Now let us substitute the value of x1, x2 in this. Okay? And y1, y2. That is D is equal to square root of, for this bracket, let us write the bracket, x2. The value of x2 is 2. 2 minus x1. The value of x1 is 1. The whole square. For this plus, let us write plus. Bracket. y2. The value of y2 is 3. 3. For this minus, let us write minus. y1 is what? 5. The whole square. Okay. D is equal to square root of 2 minus 1 the whole square. That is 2 minus 1 is what? 1. 1 the whole square. For this plus, let us write plus. 3 minus 5. That is what? Minus 2. The whole square. Right? D is equal to square root of 1 square is what? 1 plus minus 2 square is what? Minus 2 it is present 2 times. Minus 2 the whole square means what? Minus 2 it is present 2 times. Right? Minus into minus is plus. 2 into 2 is 4. Therefore, minus 2 the whole square is what? Plus 4. Therefore, let me write 4. That is D is equal to square root of 1 plus 4 is what? 5. The distance between AB is what? Root 5. The distance between AB is root 5. Okay. Now let us find out the distance between BC. Okay. Let me rub this. Let us find out the distance between BC. Okay. The coordinate of B is 2, 3. The coordinate of B is 2, 3. And the coordinate of C is minus 2, minus 11. Okay. And we have to find out the distance between them by using the distance formula. That is D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This is our x1 and this is our y1. This is our x2 and this is our y2. Okay. Now see here, D is equal to square root of bracket, substitute the value of x2, that is minus 2. Minus 2. For this minus, let us write minus. x1 is what? 2. Bracket close and square. For this plus, let us write plus. Bracket open, y2. The value of y2 is minus 11. Minus 11. For this minus, let us write minus. y1, the value of y1 is 3. Bracket close, and for this square, let us write square. D is equal to square root of minus 2 is what? Minus 4. Right? Minus 4 the whole square. For this plus, let us write plus. Bracket open. Minus 11 minus 3 is what? Minus 14. Okay, square. That is D is equal to square root of minus 4 the whole square is what? Plus 16. Minus 4 the whole square means minus 4 it is present 2 times, right? That is 4 4s are 16. Minus into minus is plus 16. Okay, therefore minus 4 the whole square is 16 plus minus 14 the whole square. That is minus 14 into minus 14. 14 into 14 is what? 196. Minus into minus is plus. Therefore, minus 14 the whole square is plus 196. Okay. D is equal to square root of 16 plus 196 is 212. Okay. The distance between BC is square root of 212. The distance between BC is square root of 212. Okay. Now let us find out the distance between AC. Let me rub this. Let us find out the distance between AC. AC is equal to, the coordinates of A is what? 1, 5. And the coordinate of C is minus 2, minus 11. Okay. And this is our x1 and this is our y1. This is our x2 and this is our y2. Let us find out the distance between them by using the distance formula. D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay. D is equal to square root of, bracket open, the value of x2 is minus 2. For this minus, let us write minus. x1 is what? 1. The whole square. For this plus, let us write plus. Bracket open, y2. The value of y2 is minus 11. For this minus, let us write minus. y1. The value of y1 is 5. The whole square. Okay. D is equal to square root of minus 2 minus 1 is what? Minus 3. Minus 3 the whole square. For this plus, let us write plus. Minus 11 minus 5 is what? Minus 16. The whole square. Okay. D is equal to square root of minus 3 the whole square. Means what? Minus 3 it is present 2 times. Minus 3 into minus 3 is what? Plus 9. Okay. Then plus minus 16 the whole square is plus 256. That is D is equal to 265. That is 9 plus 256 is square root of 265. Now we know that the distance between AC is square root of 265. That is the distance between AC is what? Square root of 265. Okay. We have found the distance between AB, BC and AC. Now we have to say that whether these 3 points are collinear. We know that when we will join AB and BC, we will get AC, right? That is, when we will join AB plus BC, we will get AC. this condition is holds good, then we can say that the points are collinear. So let us see whether this one it follows this condition or not. Okay, I am going to rub the board. You can copy down. Let me rub the board. AB plus BC is equal to AC. Let us see whether this condition is holds good or not. Okay. AB, the distance between AB is square root of 5 plus BC, the distance between BC is square root of 212. When we will add these two, we have to get square root of 265. Whether we will get square root of 265? No. Isn't it? When we will add square root of 5 plus square root of 212, we won't get square root of 265. Okay. Therefore, it is not collinear. It is not collinear. You can write that the given points are not collinear. Here, adding of square root numbers you have learned in your previous classes, right? So, I think no need to explain adding the square root numbers. Okay? Hope you have understood. Thank you.